Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the organized side of retail stores, from spotless aisles to high-tech billing. Today we'll explore 6 things that make a retail store stand out.
First up, store layout and infrastructure. Look at these wide aisles, clear section, and perfectly stacked shelves. The decor, the lighting, and even the background music are all planned to make your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable.
This is where organized retail excels. Every product is scanned, barcoded, and billed almost instantly. Payments, you name it, UPI, cards, and digital wallets are also accepted. The POS system here helps in keeping track of sales and restocking.
Behind the scenes, inventory management keeps things running. They use advanced software to monitor stock, set reorder levels, and make sure shelves are always full. This means you rarely see empty spaces here.
Staff is just not for answering questions. Staffs are well trained to recommend products, handle return policies, and assist with heavy bags. It's not about just selling products, it's about building relationship with their customers.
Retail means clear prices and tempting deals. You will see seasonal sales and combo offers. Everything is displayed openly over here, so customers know what they're paying for and what they're saving.
Another highlight, variety. Organized sectors like novelty are known for product assortment. It offers wide range of categories under one roof. Basic groceries, household essential, toiletries, snacks, etc. and even gourmet imported products.
So that's our tour of novelty. We've seen how an organized retail store combines smart design, tech, and variety to make shopping easy and comfortable. We'll visit an unorganized retail store and see how it's different.
So now we are at unorganized retail market. Last time we explored the organized retail stores. This time we are at the heart of unorganized retail market, the local Kirana market. It is familiar, it is important to the Indian shopping culture. So see how it works.
Here, the store layout is much simpler. Products are stocked from floor to ceiling, and the space is used to its maximum. There might not be fancy lighting, wide aisles, but everything is arranged in the shopkeeper's best understanding. It's compact, it's functional, and makes the use of every inch.
Thing here is old school. Prices are often calculated manually or because of the use of a calculator. Sometimes receipts are handwritten or not given at all. People use the mode of payment as cash, but right now retailers are taking a step towards being digital by using the form of UPI.
Inventory management in unorganized retail store is based on experience rather than software. The shopkeeper knows which products move fast and restocks them accordingly. It's less about data and more about personal observations and daily interactions with customers.
This is where the unorganized retail shines. Personal touch. The shopkeeper knows your name, what are your usual orders, and even let you buy on credit if you are short on cash. And services are built on relationship and trust.
Prices here are fixed by wholesalers and promotions are rare. Instead of flashy offers, they provide value from convenience, like buying goods in small quantity, providing home delivery services, and paying later.
In terms of variety, unorganized retail stores stocks goods that are essential for daily use. Basic groceries, household items, etc. It is neither compared to an organized retail store, but it is tailored according to local community needs.
और हम लोग तेल है, शक्कर है, चाय है, साबुन है, गेहूँ, चावल, दाल सब रखता है खाने पीने का।
यहाँ पे अच्छे अच्छे कस्टमर लोग आते हैं और उनको बहुत मजा आते है। सबको अच्छा माल देते हैं हम। असली माल, नकली माल नहीं, बिल्कुल असली माल। तो वो गिरा दूसरे टाइम कस्टमर आना मांगते हैं आपके पास, ऐसा करते हैं हम लोग।
कितने साल से आपका
यहाँ पे बहुत साल मार्केट को 400 साल हो गया मार्केट को।
नहीं, हम लोग को अभी 3-4 साल।
3-4 साल हो गए। बाकी होलसेल मार्केट में आते 450 साल हो गए।
आपका शॉप कब खुला था?
हमारा शॉप बहुत पुराना है, करीबन 50 साल पुराना है।
हो गया 50 साल का जितना पुराना है।
हमारे यहाँ पे होलसेल रेट से भाव से सब सामान मिलते हैं।
आपके शॉप में क्या क्या होता है?
हमारे शॉप में सब किराना माल सब मिल जाता है, होलसेल रेट से मिल जाता है।
होलसेल और रिटेल दोनों बेचता है।
And that's why I looked into unorganized retail marketing. It may not have fancy shelves or barcode scanners, but it wins with trust and convenience. Between an organized and unorganized sector, both has its own strength. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comment. Please like, share and subscribe.